Vitaquest International LLC has been a premier product development and manufacturing company in the nutraceutical and functional foods business since 1977. We create and produce more than 4,000 custom formulas for more than 500 brands in over 40 countries. Our talented and experienced in-house team is adept at supplement formulation design, development, and production of all solid and powdered dosage forms. Let us show you how our commitment to quality, our ability to collaborate, and our expertise can turn your ideas into innovative, successful products. We are at the forefront of the custom tablet production sector and are constantly developing cutting-edge products like organic and excipient-free tablets. In addition to conventional products, we can produce tablets and capsules featuring variable release profiles, custom color codings and shapes, and unique sensory experiences. We specialize in chewable tablets, oral disintegrating tablets, effervescents, fast melts, two-piece hard shell encapsulation, hard and soft capsules, gelatin capsules, and more. We were one of the first companies to successfully design, manufacture, and deliver a shelf-stable probiotic product. Our facilities feature climate-controlled probiotic production areas, where we have developed proprietary processes to ensure product quality. We currently produce over 5 million retail units of powdered nutritional products, including meal replacements, multivitamins/multiminerals, whole food blends, proteins, and more. We consistently maintain an ever-expanding database of thousands of ingredients we use to manufacture exceptional products. All incoming raw materials are subject to testing via spectroscopy, FTNIR or FTIR, chromatography, HPLC or TLC, and genetic ID testing for probiotics. We provide comprehensive supplement packaging design services that consider how the packaging can affect product quality, shelf life, and the overall consumer experience. Our supplement packaging options include bottles, canisters, gusset bags, jars, jugs, tubs, unit dose pouches, stick packs, blister cards, modified atmosphere packaging, and vials. VQ Technologies specializes in uniform particle and powder engineering services, using agglomeration, granulation, microencapsulation, and fluid bed technologies. VQ Solutions provides turnkey nutraceutical warehousing and fulfillment services. Our warehouse management system is designed to help you take control of your inventory, and we can help you ship when and where you need to, down to the case level. All products are tested for potency using UPLC/HPLC, ICP-MS, LC/MS, residual solvents, and microbiological methodologies. Our processes are in accordance with the current U.S. FDA CGMP compliance for 21 CFR Parts 111 and 117. We are authorized to manufacture USP certified products, NSF certified products, kosher, halal, and sport products. We manufacture products that are intended to promote the health and well-being of consumers in an environmentally positive manner. In our manufacturing operations, we continually work to be less wasteful with materials and energy, and have taken significant steps to reduce our environmental impact. For more information on how we can help you custom formulate and manufacture a high-quality dietary supplement, contact us today.